The curriculum renewal resources have been designed to support schools in their conversations about curriculum design in a Catholic context and to consider renewed approaches to engaging with and interpreting formal curriculum frameworks. Each of the resources support the others. When used together, leaders and teachers in schools are able to form a clear picture of what the approach to curriculum is at their school and to explore through dialogue their Catholic context. The documents are linked through the design elements. Each element is given its own unique colour, and teachers and leaders can follow the element from the overview resource to the whole school design resource to the Teachers as Designers resource. This resource unpacks the design elements at a whole school level and is intended to support school leaders to engage their school community and to reflect on and develop a shared aspiration for learners and learning that responds to their Catholic context. Entering the conversation at their point of need, school leaders can lead their community in conversations around deeply understanding who we are as a community by discussing the inclusiveness of our curriculum and our response to the needs of our whole school community, as well as understanding the stories and experiences our learners bring to their learning and to the community, and what this means for our planning. Conversations about building authentic relationships and partnerships that support, extend and challenge learners, relationships between what is being learned, and how engaging with the Christian narrative and the Catholic tradition can support learners to develop deeper insights. Examining the effectiveness of our pedagogy and how we position our community in learning, ensuring our assessment is respectful of each learner and is responsive to evidence of student achievement growth. Collecting meaningful information to plan future learning and teaching that is responsive to all learners in their development. Ensuring equity and access to a rich curriculum that is reflective of our Catholic context, and making our school practice transparent to learners, parents and the community. As a whole, this conversation supports schools to further understand their Catholic context, enabling teachers in their learning spaces to be responsive to this context in their learning and teaching. The Teachers as Designers document has been designed to support classroom teachers to collaboratively plan for learning that is reflective of and responsive to their Catholic context. The document is laid out in a circular design so schools can start where they need to. You can then move around or across the document throughout the flow of conversation. While planning as a level team or in a professional learning community, teachers can discuss what they know about their learners and how they can respond to this in their planning, considering the key questions or issues that will hold the most significance for learners, and the intersections between the Catholic tradition, other traditions and the world that can be revealed through the unpacking of these questions or issues. The best experiences to support learners in the development of self, family, community and the world. Experiences that are rich, relevant and authentic, enabling learners to progress in a range of areas. Deciding the best pedagogies to enact in the learning space, ensuring that learners are given a voice in their learning and all of those involved in the learning are positioned in a co-learning relationship, using dialogue to enable learners to share their own interpretations and further develop their own stance in relation to the learning. As you consider experiences and pedagogy, what evidence will best assess what matters? And what will be the position of learners throughout the assessment process? And how are families engaged in an ongoing way in this? This conversation provides opportunities for teachers to design learning that enables students to grow and progress from where they are in their learning development, and allows teachers to critically reflect on their own planning and explore possibilities for curriculum renewal in their Catholic context. If you require further information about the documents, a guide has been produced, as well as a range of support resources on CEVN within Holistic Planning.